All right, guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to Half Fast 709. I got a mess. More of a mess. Trying to swap some stuff out. Just to update, I did track down the drain. The only thing I can see draining was the Bluetooth control module up there. But the stereo has Bluetooth. It's a common thing on these. I do have this. The generator running. Well, that definitely came off. That definitely came off the solar. It's weird, I've been finding these parts here and there. Found a long screw. Just not seeing any that are off. Anyway, like I said, I got the generator going. I got a temperature thingy. I was trying to put it in the shade. I'll put it up here. Up here, so it's fair game in the shade. But I've only had it outside for about 10 minutes. Oh yeah, so it's 102 outside. 90 something in here. Open up some of these vents. These vents are dumb. So I did put a little stopper in there because it keeps going through. But 91 degrees. Oh, I had it on low. So I did wrap and do like a whole ducting system in here. There was a square port that went this way right here. It goes to those two and to that one. It was just square like this, and then it was wide open. And then we had two drafts, one going that way and then one going that way. I think this one goes to the bathroom and one goes here. So I created like a valley type of deal to where it'll flow that way and this way. So it seems to be flowing a lot better. These things are dumb. I can't find, I take that back. I mean, I can find, but I don't know. These things are dumb. But I also did, oh yeah, I can feel cool there now. A little stopper thingy back in here. Anyway, so yeah, I'm trying to let it cool off in here to see what I can bring the temperature down to. So the vent is open. Hot air does escape. It's closed. Maybe that is the way AC works. It wants the cooler air. It's pretty chilly back here. Oh, that's me. I shut that. Oh, yeah. And I'll check back in like 15-20 minutes. It's already cooling down, and I am parked in the sun. Ooh, automatic step. Anyway, cool. So I'll leave that up there in the shade. But the Acura, I think, is all good to go. I'm gonna test it in a couple days, probably like Saturday or Sunday. Fall and kill myself. Usually the car will be dead in like 2 or 3 days. So anyway, those are just updates. Let's do an unboxing since I haven't really done an unboxing. This is from Rocky Mountain ATV MX versus ATV. Rocky Mountain ATV. Should be a chain and some other filler items. Paper. for the wife, for her packing stuff. Ooh-wee. Let's see what we got. Oh, a tusk chain, because all the other chains were out of order, or not out of order, back ordered. Anyway, so this is a Tusk 520 O-ring chain, 118. Anyway, it's supposed to be for my bike because I have future, something might be happening. Nothing, not selling it. Ooh-wee. Got a retro shirt. I think I'm gonna give this to the kid. It's extra large. Maybe I'll buy him a large one. It's got an ATC 3-wheeler on it. Pretty cool. I like it. I'll see if he wants it. If he doesn't want it, yep, I'm stealing it. So we got a wallet. Why not? I had to get free shipping. So I play the Rocky Mountain fantasy stuff, motorcycle, motocross, dirt bike racing, supercross, super motocross. I play all that stuff. And yeah, the last race was a triple points race. I got a lot of money, so I had to spend it. I've probably lost over this year from not buying stuff with their Rocky Mountain cash. I've probably lost maybe $100. Anyway, and this is a kidney belt. Why a kidney belt, you ask? Well, I might be doing they call it LA B to V, Los Angeles to Barstow, Barstow to Vegas, but now they just do it from Palmdale to Barstow, and then they stay the night, and then Barstow to Vegas. So since I have the motorhome, I can get just like a dirt bike carrier, bring that. Hopefully my wife will be okay driving the motorhome. I think she will. And yeah, so I figured having an extra chain would not hurt. This is Amazon. And I figure since she actually likes that motorhome, which is really odd for her. She really hates everything. This might not be mine. Oh yeah, this is mine. Okay. These are all bearings. TRQ, view before you do. Anyway, they're wheel bearings for the motorhome. It was cheap for this whole kit. It's mainly going to be an emergency deal. So let's try to see if there's a name on there. And there's not a name or something. There's something on it. Just a part number. Anyway, so it was inner outer bearings. So this should be outer bearings. I don't know why there's so many boxes in here. What's this? Made in Taiwan. This sounds like a bearing of some sort. It sounds really floppy. And boxes are bulletproof. Oh. Okay, so this is the outer bearing. And I don't remember them being that small. And I just took them out. This might not be the right kit. The only way to find out is to pull it apart again. So I'm assuming you got 2 bearings and 2 races. Yeah, it feels like a race. The outer. Man, slippery boxes. Whatever. And seals. So, not sure they're right. Not sure they're wrong. However, I'll take the front wheel piece off again. It doesn't hurt. It didn't take me that long. So, Amazon. One more from the Amazon. This, I think, is a fuel pump, filter. I think. I know, tripod. I know. You can cut yourself. I get it. But guess what? I am a man. Going up to my own actions. What the heck is this? Ryrack. You're a Ryrack. Auto parts, looks like it's been opened before, so it could be used. But it might not. So, fuel pump. Just a generic fuel pump. Some hose, which is good. The other hose I got with the other one doesn't even look like fuel hose. It looks more like vacuum line hose. But air filter looks about right. The air filter inside that machine is brand new. So fuel filter, that hose. I'm gonna throw this in a box. Yeah, in a box with the OEM fuel pump. OEM fuel pump, fuel filter. Owning. Anyway, so like I was saying, I think I was saying, pulling stuff out of that trailer, putting it in here. So let's go see, dig it. Shady, cloudy. Let's see what the temperature is. Still 90. So 96 outside, 90 in here, 89. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole through here, find a vent, because there's a lot of air and it just comes down and it's just dead. So, and back here's pretty cool, but up here it's hot. Let's see. Let me see this thing. Let's put it back there. So I'll just throw it. I'll throw it on the bed. It's already gonna stop dropping temperature. So this will just be for my test. You guys don't need to worry about it. I'll let you know if it's cooler or not cooler in a different video. Whew. Alright guys. So far I'm liking it. Other than it smells like it's running rich. I gotta figure that out. This thing adjusted the pressure. Pressure works harder, but still not doing anything. Yeah. Alright guys, that's my unboxing / ramble / everything. See you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Later.